again here with Little Superstars here on MTV Houston. आज का हमारा एपिसोड जो है वो कुछ खास है। खास इसलिए बिकॉज आज हमारे साथ होंगे 13-year-old twins. ये ट्विंस जितने सिमिलर है उतने ही डिफरेंट भी है. एक को ओरिगामी एंड कैलीग्राफी का शौक है और दूसरे को गेमिंग एंड पॉलिटिक्स का. तो आइए देखते हैं. लेट्स पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर एंड हेल्प मी वेलकम दीज लिटिल सुपरस्टार्स.
Little superstar, little superstar, हम हैं little superstar, little superstar, हम हैं little superstar, little superstar, हम हैं little superstar.
Please put your hands together for Krishna and Subhodra's mom, Rashmi Batavia.
हम तोड़ जाते हैं, हम हैं little superstar, little superstar, हम हैं little superstar, little superstar, हम हैं little superstar, little superstar, हम हैं little superstar.
Hello Subhodra, Krishna and Rashmi. How are you all doing?
Good.
Good.
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm doing well. So I'm going to need you to speak a little louder.
Okay.
Imagine you're at home.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So how are you all feeling being on the sets of our show Little Superstars?
Colorful, cheerful.
I'm fine. I don't feel any different.
Forget you.
Wonderful.
Good. All right. So now please give me more answers than like one word, more than one word answers. Okay, now that we start talking. Okay. So the best part about you guys is y'all are twins. Are y'all fraternal or paternal twins?
I'm assuming fraternal.
Okay. And why so?
We don't look the same.
Well, I can see that, but
Because
I
it's-
wanted the audience to know that.
Gender.
Gender. Okay. So so let's start with homeschooling. The reason I even wanted you guys on this show was because of you guys' history with homeschooling. So what was that about and how is that going for you guys?
We're both currently in real school, so we go to school and everything, but it's online right now. Homeschooling was an interesting experience to say the least.
Okay.
I wouldn't call it fun because school, you don't associate those two words together, do you?
No, not at all.
No, but it was fine and it was an interesting experience. We just got to do it fast, and that's how we are where we are today.
Right. But you are 13 and you are in the 11th grade.
Yes.
So how many grades have you skipped?
I really didn't skip grades. It's more of I did 2 grades in a year.
Oh,
So
wow.
I spent more time doing studies than the average person would.
Very well. So you I guess you're pretty intelligent if you could do all that, right?
I'm not gonna boost my ego, but sure.
Good one. You tell me. So how is your homeschooling experience?
Well, I'm still homeschooled because as soon as he enters school, they shut the school down. So we're back at home again.
So it's all his fault.
Yeah, just blame it on
It's
him.
bullyism.
Pretty easy.
Yeah,
But I got homeschooled because I was smart. Yeah.
I see. So he's not gonna boost his ego, but you're definitely gonna put it out
I'm
there.
an educated child.
Yeah, I love that. So tell me more about you and why are you so amazing?
I mean, I took it from my dad. I got the good looks from my mom.
Okay,
So they just wanted to be around me more, so they homeschooled me.
I see. So you wanted to be around her more, is that true?
Of course.
I wouldn't believe that, but sure.
Okay.
I mean, garam aloo parathe.
गरम गरम आलू परांठे हाँ और तुम्हें मिलते वो तो उनका क्या फायदा हुआ?
She used to make them for me.
But that's not like her फायदा ना.
It's okay, we compliment her.
अच्छा, alright. तो मेरे लिए पराठे क्यों नहीं आए?
Next time.
बस भूखा मारो होस्ट को. ठीक है. Let's talk. So okay, I have never seen a child your age who's interested in origami or crocheting. So what was that about and what inspired you?
I mean, I think a lot of things inspire you. First of all, when I was homeschooled, I used to get bored a lot. So I used to, go on YouTube or, watch other people, and it just, you just grow an interest. My mom also, she used to tell me about her childhood. She did a lot of arts and stuff. And I had nothing to do all day. I need something to waste my time.
To waste your time or to be productive? I need something to waste my time. So you made this?
Yes.
Wow, that is beautiful. Okay, I see there's a little birdie in here
That's for you.
for me. Why so?
Because you say little birdie told me.
So because I say a little birdie told me you made me a bird. awesome. It's okay. I can take this.
Yeah.
It's for me. Wow. All right. Well, this is absolutely beautiful, as you guys can see here. देखें, ये इन्होंने बनाया है अपने प्यारे प्यारे हाथों से. Isn't that so cute? That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow, man, you should probably make all my jewelry cases, you know, because I always, you know, कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है, टूट जाता है. So at least if there's something made out of this, I can cherish it forever. And this is also made by you.
Yeah, this was for Father's Day.
That is beautiful.
I mean, Krishna and Boram don't make any effort, so I have to do it for them.
I signed it for you too.
You didn't have to include that.
Wow, I love it. I love this bickering over here. I love it. Please keep it going.
It's a talent.
It is a talent. I wished everybody had it, but I'm glad they don't. So that way we can shine, right? Okay, so we talked about you. Let's go to Krishna. So Krishna, tell me a little about your love for politics or your knowledge about politics.
Well, I guess my dad my dad usually talks a lot about politics with his friends, so I naturally started. I always would ask him, "What do you mean?" So he'd always tell me, "You got a phone? Go search it up." So slowly but surely, as you do that, you gain a knowledge of politics. So while I don't necessarily enjoy politics, I certainly do know a good deal about it. Probably thanks to my dad.
I see. Okay. So is there anything specific about politics going on right now that you're interested in or you want to share your thoughts on?
I feel like the 2020 election, while many people will think it'll be relatively close, I believe it's going to be a shocking election, that's for sure. But
Sure. What are your guesses?
I don't want to make any guesses right now because a lot of people have political opinions that will be greatly hurt by this, so no.
Perfect. A diplomat right here, I must say. Okay, so Rashmi, tell me a little something about these two. कैसे है, क्या करते हैं, मतलब shocking है, अजीब से है, कैसे है?
I think they are the best kids any parents could have,
Okay.
you know,
Yeah.
think of. But with homeschooling, it is a wonderful experience with them. And Krishna and Subhadra, they were always very advanced in this class. And Krishna did his second grade, and that's the time my husband actually thought of homeschooling.
I see.
And for him,
So why, like, how did you all decide about homeschooling?
because the thing is, he was not he was getting bored in the class because he's very fast learner. He will finish his work very fast.
I see.
And that's one thing my husband realized, that he's not very happy.
Very nice.
Because, yeah,
because not
and-
many parents notice that. Because I'm pretty sure there are so many kids out there who are getting bored and it's not up to speed.
Well, my dad's always been very involved. in
He's
everything
very
we do.
involved.
Very
he likes
nice.
children, and he spends most of his time with the family, especially with the children. And he's a very good observer also. So he observed that Krishna needs little more experience, or he needs to get, like, you know,
Yeah.
something special.
Yeah.
So that's what he thought of, and he found out about homeschooling.
Right.
And that's where we started. And they actually, the homeschooling he did with the Calvert education, and when they asked for the entrance test, he actually did very good for the 5th grade level when he
wow.
was in 2nd grade.
That is
It was a placement,
shocking.
yeah, it was a placement test, and he did very well for the 5th grade student, and he was very good. So that's where he started. Rather than 2nd grade, he was straight into
Fifth grade,
grade.
at the age of 2nd grader. Wow, that's an accomplishment right there. So, okay, so you, would you call yourself gifted, or would you say that you work hard and you actually do sit and take the time out to get that amount of knowledge?
A mixture of both. You can't, even if you're gifted, you have to actually put in the time and effort
Right.
to
Very
get
good at it.
anything. So even if you're naturally gifted, it's not like you're going to be instantaneously smart. You have to put in a few hours.
Yeah.
But I would say you have to put in considerably less time than most people would.
Because it's just easier for you to grasp things.
Yeah.
He's a very fast learner.
Very nice.
Very fast learner.
So, give or take, how many hours a day do you study, or do you even study every day?
I have to study every day because of school.
Of course.
But otherwise, I would probably do 3 days a week and get it done well.
Very well. So then, how did homeschooling you come about? You answer that.
So I started homeschooling a year after him. So he was technically my inspiration. Also, the fact that he'd get the fresh cooked meals and the special treatment. I was missing out, so I thought
Why
Let me
not?
just, bother him a little bit.
You know, attention seeker, as we say that.
Yes.
Girls always are.
We need it.
We do.
Yeah.
Jeez, come on, step
Back
up.
off.
I know.
No.
And here, one
Okay.
thing I want to share with you is like he's a very always from the childhood he's very attached with me,
Oh, okay.
and he goes to school and he miss me all day. So that's how he is.
Mama's boy.
Exactly, yeah.
Oh,
You
he,
can say
he
that.
agrees. Oh,
He
that's very
agrees.
nice. Not many kids would agree. Okay.
Very very
Honesty.
lovely boy from the childhood. He would say like I love you like 1,000 times in a day till date.
Oh, wow.
He says that he comes randomly and just runs
Kya
and
baat
hugs
hai.
me.
Kya
So that's
khakar-
how he is.
क्या खाकर इसको आपने जन्म दिया?
No, he's
So it's not
his
Yara.
name. His name is Krishna. So you can understand.
Makhan. All right. So who are you attached to, mommy or daddy?
And that's tough. I mean, if I say one of them, they're gonna get mad at me.
But उन्होंने तो she already picked ना. She's saying the son is the favorite.
He's sitting in the car, and if he watches the episode, he's gonna bust me.
But what's the true answer? I won't tell anybody.
I like both. I actually have never tried to.
Get out of it. Say I love you as in me.
Oh, I do. Yeah.
There you go. See, get out of that. Be like, I don't know my mom and dad, but I do love you.
Dang, already separating her little family. Gee.
You're not even part of it.
Wow.
Exactly.
Okay.
If you weren't the twin, we would tell you you were adopted.
He tells me that.
You know, see, I'd make a joke, but a lot of people would be upset about it.
Okay. So back to your talents. So how did you get into calligraphy? Because that's beautiful, and I've seen some of your art, and it is phenomenal.
I mean, I just liked how you can do such a thing with your hand and just take, like I used to write, and by 3rd grade I saw this student, he had very good cursive. So I got kind of jealous, and I was like, I want to write like that.
Ahi.
So when I saw it, I got into cursive, then I got into calligraphy, but like, you know how they make one side thicker and one side thinner. It's
Right.
just, and the flow is so
I
smooth.
love that. I do. I just never put in the effort to learn it, but I absolutely love that. So maybe, I want to see some of your work of calligraphy, more of it. So send it to me later.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So now that we have talked about calligraphy, crocheting. Okay, well, it's time for me to take a short commercial break. After the break, we're gonna be talking lots of more talents that these kiddos have. So kahin mat jayega, stay right here, we'll be right back.
हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार, हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार.
I am Noor Shah. I'm a real estate consultant and the owner of Vogue Homes.
शुगरलैंड की सबसे बड़ी सुपरमार्केट अलरबा वर्ल्ड फूड 61,000 स्क्वायर फीट पर फैला देसी और विदेशी शॉपिंग के लिए वन स्टॉप शॉप
जहां ग्रोसरी से लेकर ब्यूटी सर्विसेज तक, बैंक से लेकर होम फर्निशिंग तक,
लोकेटेड इन न्यू टेरिटरी एरिया एट यूनिवर्सिटी एंड ग्रैंड पार्कवे.
ये है वन स्टॉप शॉप डेस्टिनेशन.
Alraba World Food. For more information, call Amir Ali at 512-652-8462.
$59 और वेस्ट बेलफोर्ड पर है नुक्कड़ ढाबा, जहां के मशहूर जमाना बॉम्बे तंदूरी चिकन, पहाड़ी बोटी, चिकन चटपटा और बटर चिकन तो आप जानते ही होंगे. अगर आप बॉम्बे चाइनीज खाना आप पसंद करते हैं तो जरूर उनके चिकन लॉलीपॉप और चिकन चिली ट्राई करिएगा. और एनटीवी ह्यूस्टन का नाम लेने पर स्पेशल है $99 में कॉर्न सूप. सुबह 8 से लेकर रात के 2 बजे तक नुक्कड़ ढाबा आपकी खिदमत के लिए खुला होता है. For takeout and other inquiries, call 281-575-1178 at the corner of West Belfort and 59, Nukkad Dhaba.
मनपसंद सुपरमार्केट, जहां की फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स, स्पाइसेस, फ्रोजन फूड आइटम्स आपको सबसे अच्छे प्राइस में मिलेगी और हलाल ज़बीहा मीट भी मिलेगा. दाम मनपसंद, नाम मनपसंद, तो फिर क्यों ना जाए मनपसंद. Located at Wilcrest Drive, Houston, North Highway and William Cannon Drive, Austin, Texas. तो नाम याद रखिएगा, मनपसंद सुपरमार्केट.
When it comes to protecting yourself and your partners, all the information out there can be overwhelming. Visit our website. We are a free and confidential service striving to help you stay informed and stay notified. We are committed to a healthy Houston.
हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार, हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार।
ये बदतमीज इंसान मेरे से ऐसे क्यों बात करता है?
I said nothing.
Okay, stop, you're back on air. Oh God, ये तुम लोग घर पर भी ऐसे ही होते हो?
No worse.
Worse?
Yeah.
तो तुम्हारा तो पूरा entertainment package होता होगा ना घर पर? Like
Nothing
full
like
on.
that.
You don't have to pay.
No, our dad's the entertainment package.
Really? What does he do?
He jokes around.
You don't want to know what he does.
Oh, what does he do? Now I want to know.
Well, that will remain a mystery.
Okay, mystery. Uske liye I'll have to visit the Batabial
Yeah.
family
Yes.
house one day. Okay, so tell me about your basketball and tennis, routines and training that you all do.
I mean, how good are Indians at sports?
Oh, I don't know. I know some were very good.
I was
but
born very unathletic. I just play the game for fun.
Okay.
I play it so that I can at least be a little tall to stand next to him in photos.
So that's why you play?
Yeah,
To get
otherwise
taller.
I get cut off in the photo.
I've tried
No,
to play
Disrespectful a bunch.
English. Just I don't speak it anymore.
You don't speak English?
All right.
अच्छा तो हिंदी में बात करो.
नहीं.
नहीं हाँ.
No.
No, why not?
My accent is
It doesn't matter.
horrendous.
Say something in Hindi. I want to hear you talk.
नहीं.
क्यों नहीं?
नहीं बोलूँगा.
नहीं बोलूँगा. कुछ
ठीक
तो
है.
बुलवा लिया.
Enjoy.
All right. So tell me. So you just play for fun. So how many hours a day or how many days a week do you even train?
We try to make it 3 days a week for basketball and then try to
4
fit
days.
tennis in somehow. But
So if you had to pick between basketball and tennis, which one would you pick?
I feel basketball.
Yeah.
It's even though it's more intense. I think that I get to joke more because there's him. I get to bother him.
I see.
Because
Okay.
in tennis he's all the way over there, so I can't make fun of him. He makes fun of me.
So even after having enough of him at home, you still want him to be around him while playing games?
Yeah. Otherwise, when I go to tennis, I'm not that amazing. I just started, so they put me with these slightly younger kids.
I see. So you just want to be around him.
see, I get to bully her because I'm all the way outside and she's
He's
asleep.
been playing for 4 years.
Boy,
Don't
from where I see, she is bullying you. You are not bullying
Oh, you haven't
her
seen
at
us
all.
at home, have you?
So why haven't you shown me your true colors?
I don't want to do that.
Don't ask him. This is my job today.
Let
So
her,
you wanna
let her
shine
feel good
today.
for a day. Let her feel good.
Okay, I see. So the roles are switched at home. You guys are something else. Okay, so see, you are very funny. I'll give you that. I haven't seen your true colors. So where did you even get this personality from? Where did you decide that, okay, one day I'm just going to be a jokester? How?
My dad.
Really?
He's always so happy and he makes jokes. Even on the dinner table, sometimes he makes these kind of jokes and you could choke on your food. He's dangerous.
Oh, daddy is dangerous. तो अगर आपको पिक करना होता इन तीनों में से कौन सबसे ज्यादा फनी है?
Shubhadra.
अच्छा.
Duh.
I love that confidence. Okay, so really quickly, I see that you are on the bullets here. It says IT. So what about IT did you want to talk about today?
I had no preparation when I came here, but I just love computers and I've used them for like more than half of my life. So they naturally you get used to computers, and I've always wanted to code, but I've never actually had the time to put into code. But I do find it very interesting, and I don't know why that's on the bullets, but I do find I do find IT interesting.
I feel like if you ever were interested in coding, you would do great, right?
Exactly,
Because you
yeah.
can grasp things so easy.
No, that's the entire idea behind it, that I can do it if I really wanted to.
So why don't you?
I don't really feel a need to.
I see. He doesn't feel the need to.
On April Fools, he turned my screen upside down.
That's a good one.
You know, with this IT question, I can say when he was doing homeschooling, that's where at 8th grade, they started telling him that from this year you'll be doing everything online. And he understood so very
It was a
well
very
the computer.
confusing,
But generally, you give them the whole 9th grade course on the computer, it is not easy to understand the whole thing.
Right, and he was able to grasp
he did
that.
not even ask anybody's help.
I started a few weeks late, so I missed out on all of the primary instruction for
Wow.
stuff. So it wasn't that hard, but it was definitely a confusing software to learn. So I do learn things relatively
Got
quickly.
it. And what about world history?
So history has always been a really fun thing that I really do enjoy. I don't know why, but while most people call it boring, I actually really do enjoy reading history because I like to like take multiple accounts of history, like per se, the loser side of things and the winner side of things, and compare discrepancies and stuff like that. Because I honestly find it really interesting to see that you can't take anything at face value anymore. You can't. You never could, and you can't anymore. Like for instance, history. Well, they're saying something. There could be a totally different story to it. For instance, many genocides have been shadowed by others. Like, for instance, the Armenian genocide. I don't even know. Most people haven't heard of the magnitude of what it is, but a lot of, and that's because it's shadowed by other genocides that don't have such a historical impact and often have been faked. So a lot of stuff has been dramatized and stuff like that. So there's a lot of stuff that goes on that you can't accept. So I find it really interesting to compare accounts and everything.
So if you could go out on a dinner with some historical figure, who would you go out with?
Otto von Bismarck.
Okay.
Are you sleepy yet?
I am
I mean,
sleepy.
if I can't fall asleep, he's just a full lullaby for you.
Yeah, maybe next time I'll call you. Yeah.
Call him. No, no.
Okay, fine. One of
Because
y'all.
otherwise I'll make you laugh.
Well, see, sometimes it's good to fall asleep laughing.
You won't sleep.
Girl, if my facial muscles get tired, I will sleep. Don't worry about that. You just make me laugh. Okay, so you are in love with gaming.
I mean, I do it for fun. Doesn't mean that I'm in love with it.
Okay, so you just do it for fun. Fine. What do you love to do?
Annoy people.
Annoy people. I am.
I do like
feeling
to
that.
bake.
Baking. Okay, that's interesting. Tell me more about baking.
I made a chocolate cake about 2 days ago.
It was good.
And-
It was
And
really
I got compliments.
Where's my piece?
We finished it.
You see, when it's fresh, it tastes better. So you have to come and have it.
Beta, you knew you were going to come to this show. You were supposed to bake something and bring it, just like you brought this.
This is good.
No, the little birdie
No,
ate
it's
it.
not.
The little
There's
birdie
a
ate
bird
it. The
in
little
there.
birdie ate it.
Why do you make me sound like I'm in love with birds?
I mean, you say that in every episode.
Well, because you know, you guys are a bit older, but I've had younger kids, so it's fun to tell them, a little birdie told me.
Exactly.
Yeah, but you use it obsessively at point of time. So
Next time I'm
got
gonna
you a
use it
bird.
like this. I'll be like, a little birdie told me, this one right here. Okay, cool. Okay, so now is the fun question round.
Oh, God.
Okay, you ready for it? I'll come back to your talents as well, but I feel like it's gonna be fun asking y'all some silly stuff. Okay, so tell me about your most memorable memory that you have. It could be funny, it could be sad, happy, whatever. Tell me, go.
I had a chocolate cake with ketchup. I mean, she put it in my plate and she's like, she put it too close to the ketchup. So I said, Mama, you put it so close to the ketchup. She goes, Khalid? So I did. And he,
Chocolate cake with ketchup.
yeah, it wasn't that bad.
Wow, okay. So, if you had to pick between your best friend or your sister, who would you pick?
My sister, because I actually don't have many friends, so
Yeah,
my
don't
sister.
mess this up. He's playing safe today.
Oh,
I don't want to get beaten now.
yeah, okay. Okay, so do you all, so do you all have like a bedtime, like a maximum level of hours that you can stay up kind of deal?
No.
We don't have a bedtime, but we have a wake up time.
Okay, and what's
So
that?
we can go to bed at
7
4 a.m., but we
o'clock?
have to wake up at 7. So.
Ooh, I like that.
She-
But you know, I've been stretching that lately. Quarantine, I've been stretching that.
Very nice, but still, but school's on now, so now what?
Our school starts at 9, so he can sleep till 8:59 and still be there looking fresh.
Okay, so now y'all are in public school. Private schooling, homeschooling is done.
Yeah,
no,
homeschooling's done. I don't-
After homeschooling, I did private school for 1 year.
Okay, so which one do you like?
None. It's school.
No, who likes school? That's like a very.
Okay, boys and girls, if you had to pick one, homeschool or private school, which one would you pick and why?
Homeschooling, because you're at home.
Garam parathe.
Exactly, you got it.
He loves
Okay,
eating
but
food.
other than if I didn't pick homeschooling, I'd probably pick private school. I mean, there's less people. It's more like a family, and there's microwaves, so I don't have much tension.
I see.
About the
So
parathe.
फिर भी घर के पराठे गरम करके खा लेगी.
Yeah.
वाह यार पराठे lovers है. तुम लोगों को ना मेरा भाई बहन होना चाहिए था.
That's
Because
where I
I love
got all the
parathes. Girl, parathes. If you love parathes, you gotta work out in life. Look at me. I eat parathes every day. All right. Okay. Do you feel like they ever quit on anything? I didn't ask you, Krishna. I asked mommy. Shh, butt out. Do they quit on stuff? Like if they don't want to do something, do they say nahi karna, or actually they will do it just because you ask them to do it?
There's a very everyday same answer. I need to go to the bathroom.
Acha, so if they don't want to do something, they go to the bathroom.
And yes, for hours.
Hey, that's a good one. I like
Yeah, you should
it.
do that.
Take the phone, sit down there,
No, you just go sit in your room. It's right next to it.
and then they annoy when they come out. Oh, it was so good. I feel so good.
Yo, we leave that at home, Mama.
you
We
guys
don't talk about that
Give her
here.
the details.
We don't talk about that
Definitely,
here.
these details, I'm loving it.
It's called TMI. Too
So
much
both of them
information.
do it. They go to the bathroom and come out and say,
It's
oh,
because they
I just
have
go
that
sit in my
phone.
room.
They feel so good.
No, I don't
Because
get too
they-
specific, but I get specific enough to just wait.
Yeah, I don't want to be too
they-
specific here. It'll be very annoying for you. Trust me.
Just to change the topic because I'm angry because they just go quit.
You don't want to
So they just want to
Parts.
no.
She doesn't hit though.
Oh, I gotta go do
but
this.
you don't want
really
it
fast.
anyways, right?
They want to change the topic and they say, oh, it was
Got
so good.
it.
I feel so good today.
Wow. So just to change your angry mood, they will go to the bathroom.
You
and
gotta
say,
annoy her. You gotta annoy her.
very good, very good.
And
I
then
don't
they
even
say-
know what to say anymore.
No.
Okay, okay. I have a very fun question to ask. Okay. Actually, I'll ask you. So, when you think about, do you watch Indian movies?
Oh yeah,
Of course, okay.
they're very
I mean,
good.
that's where I got the
Who is-
drama.
Abhi, chup kar. Who who is your favorite actor?
Oh,
Jaldi.
Amitabh Bachchan.
La. I thought you would say someone young.
But
in
even better, Salman Khan.
okay, fine.
Basic,
Forget them. They're
basic,
both old.
basic,
They're,
basic.
They're both old. Never mind. Okay, so when you think about your future boyfriend, what do you think of?
I don't think of one.
Why not?
I was like, you're going straight to Shadi at 20. Forget about all of that.
Because
अच्छा
my-
तो कोई कैसा पति चाहिए? पापा को अभी भाई बताओ.
My husband has already chose Chatterjee,
He goes-
Mukherjee or
every,
Ganguly.
No, every morning. Shubhadra, good morning. I say good morning. Mukherjee, Chatterjee. Like, there is no way you can stop him.
तो अभी से ही मुखर्जी चैटर्जी ये सब शुरू.
The other day he was showing me a website he was looking for people.
Shadi.com. Tell your dad to upgrade. Go on Dil Mil. That's better. So what about you? Do you have any girlfriends? Do you have any girlfriends? That's not what happens here stays here. Daddy G, if you're watching, sorry. Now, what kind of a girl do you think of? Someone like mommy or someone like Shubhodra?
Neither.
I mean, if he had to deal with another me, he'd probably have to leave the country.
Ask me. I am more worried
Acha, you're
because
worried.
he loves Chinese and Thai food.
Oh my God, it's food.
You got the answer.
ये कुछ
So
नहीं, मतलब अगर किसी को चाइनीज पसंद है तो क्या वो चाइनीज भी लाएगा घर?
वो देखो
Well, he gets the food from Hawaii.
बोलते तो यही है ना
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता यार. तो
कि खाना मिलने से ही
I just
satisfaction
want
होती
you to know
है.
they give cockroaches.
So that's all. I'm just more worried about
Okay,
this.
okay. At this point, we are done. I cannot take this anymore. It's the end of the segment. That is it. We're gonna catch you all after with this show. So guys, this was a very fun episode with Shubhodra Krishna and Rashmi Batavyal. If you have talented kids sitting at home and you would want to send them here on the show, please do contact us on Facebook, Little Superstars का page, or you can email us at littlesuperstars@ntvhouston.com. जरूरी नहीं कि कोई टैलेंट हमें पोर्ट्रे या डिस्प्ले करना हो, बस आकर बातों के जरिए भी हम अपना टैलेंट बयां कर सकते हैं. Alright, bye. This is me, Pooja, signing off.
धूम पिचक धूम पिचक धूम धूम पिचक धूम धूम पिचक धूम पिचक धूम धूम पिचक धूम दिल से दिल की बातें कहते हैं सच के साथ रहते हैं बस आगे ही बढ़ते हैं ना कभी किसी से डरते हैं हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार
रंग मस्ती के उड़ाते हैं चमके धूम मचाते